and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go, you'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. Ebb and Flo were up early. You never knew what the sea would wash up after a storm. Things couldn't be better. All right, Ebb. Fetch! Ma's bangle! Oh, Ebb, have you found the bangle? Oh, you poor little thing. There now. It must have lost its ma in the storm. We'd better take it home. Ebb wondered how it must feel to be so small and all alone. Come on, little one, eat up. Ebb didn't like anyone apart from Bird using her bowl, but she didn't mind this time. She just wanted the little cormorant chick to get stronger. That's good. Some more? We'll have to find your ma, get you back to the sea. I think it likes you, Ebb. It's all right. It's only Bird. Come to visit. It thinks you're a nest, Ebb. Ebb felt proud to be the little chick's nest. The time had come to find the little chick's ma. So they all went back to the beach. But they just couldn't see the little chick's ma. What is it? What can you see? And there she was. Oh, look, it's your ma. Ebb knew there was only one thing to do, though the water was cold and Ebb was more than a little scared. That's it, Ebb. Keep going. The little chick needed its ma. Swim, little chick. Swim. There, the little chick was swimming. Ebb was so pleased. Oh, Ebb! Well done! Ebb knew the little chick was safe with her ma again. Suddenly, Ebb saw something shining on the seabed. Come on, Ebb. You'll catch cold. Hooray for Ebb. No, Ebb, stop. Ebb, you found it. Ma's silver bangle. Oh, thank you, Ebb. Things couldn't be better. You never knew what the sea would wash up after a storm.